Fremont Packer Nation softball tryouts are on. Woo! I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Hey, it's Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. How are you doing today? Thursday, we are in the middle of tryouts for softball, and I'm still excited. Tomorrow is our last day. Hey, we're going to, I'm not going to have any footage of the tryouts because I don't think I can. And I'm still verifying that, and I don't know yet if I can film anything, so I'm not. But I want you to know that we are doing some footage of the equipment. So stick around, see what we're doing. I'm going to do some washing. I got to wash the equipment. We're going to get set up and ready to rock and roll because it might be next week we get started. We'll see. We'll see if this weather stays out like it is now. If that's the case, we're rocking and rolling. All right, I'll be right back. Hey, lawn dogs. I'm really freaked out right now. Oh my God, I'm upside down. Whew, that's better. Man, this TP crisis of 2020 has got me freaked out. What am I gonna wipe my butt with? Anyway, I'm heading to Wally World and Myers to check out the crisis of 2020, TP crisis of 2020. I'll be back with you in a minute while I race to the store. All right, let's do this. Hurry up, I gotta go. Hurry up, I gotta go. Gotta get there and I gotta go. Oh, cars, get out of my way. So stressful. Hey guys, Jeff Foster with Ulnar Lawn Care reporting to you live from Wally World. Well, I guess it's not live, on the TP crisis of 2020. We are going in to see how the TP crisis is affecting Fremont, Michigan. Plus, we're running low, so I gotta go get some. But anyway, let's get in there. All right, lawn dogs, we are here. And as you can see, the toilet paper crisis of 2020 has hit Fremont, Michigan. They are running low, however, they do got this nice cart of Angel Soft sitting here, or Skid. So come get your toilet paper before it's all gone, because God knows the coronavirus has nothing to do with wiping your butt. But we are short. We are short. I'm glad I got my rolls. Boom, Angel Soft it is. But check it out, check it out, check it out. Unbelievable. I am actually going to run over Myers now and see how they look. All right, I'll be back. So guys, the crisis claimed me. What I mean is, I got so worried about getting here to get toilet paper, I forgot my wallet at home. So now I got to go get it and come back and pay for my toilet paper. What a dummy. All right, I'm back. You can see Myers wasn't nearly as bad as Walmart, however, they were half empty. But anyway, well, now here's some footage of me washing my lawnmower. Some actual lawn mowing footage. No, not lawn mowing footage. It would be just me washing the lawnmowers and putting them away. I washed the lawnmowers. That's what I did. Well, lawn dogs, they're washed. I didn't use soap or degreaser around them, just sprayed them off. So I'm gonna get them loaded back up and back in the trailer and back to the shop. They'll dry out. It's a nice day out, as you can tell, so it's a good day to do it. Supposed to get snow maybe later tonight, but I'm gonna get them to the shop so they can dry out. All right, be back. So lawn dogs, I think I survived the toilet paper crisis of 2020. But in all seriousness, this is a bit ridiculous. If the virus gave people the poops, this would make sense. So I don't understand why there's this TP shortage crisis. First of all, the coronavirus, from what I understand and what I've read, only affects your lungs and your breathing, kind of like a cold. And the best way to prevent yourself from getting that is personal hygiene, washing your hands, which you should be doing every day anyways. So if you just do what you're supposed to be doing every day, chances of you getting sick are slim to none. With this, I mean, everybody's gonna get sick once in a while, but just good hygiene, people. Good hygiene. Don't be coughing in people's face. Cover your mouth. If you're sick, wear a mask. Because if you don't have a mask on, you know, you spread the germs easily. But wearing a mask if you're not sick does nothing to help you. But good hygiene. Good hygiene. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. These things. Alright, hey. Now that I've survived the TP crisis of 2020, I would like to make sure you guys give maximum effort. Go make that green and be kind to everyone. Share your toilet paper. Floyd, I'm out.